Hi guys, Vanessa here. I am here to create this smoky bronze fall look. I'm not sure what I'm calling it yet, but I am using the Kathleen Lights X Colourpop So Jaded palette that I mentioned in my last video. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how to create this fall smoky bronze eye look, then just keep on watching. So for foundation, I'm going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty foundation. This is known to be quite of a matte foundation. So to prevent it from looking so matte, it could even be a little drying. What I like to go in with is the Ordinary Rose Hip Oil. This I like just because it kind of gives a little bit more of a moisture. It brings back moisture to the skin. So I'm gonna be applying that first. And it gives you that glow, okay? Kind of to bring back, like I said, that more of a dewy look. If you ever find a foundation being a little bit drying, you can always go in with a face oil, and that will kind of help balance things out so it's not so drying on the skin, or not so, even to prevent from it being so matte, okay? I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender to blend that out. When I'm going in with a matte foundation, I also like to kind of apply and build. I don't like to go in with so much foundation just because I kind of want to play with coverage. Sometimes I do want fuller coverage, sometimes I want lighter coverage, just depends. I hope you guys can see what I'm talking about. The skin looks a little bit more dewy, not so dry, because like I said, that matte foundation from Fenty, it's a Pro Longwear. It is known for being matte and quite drying. So like I said, you can just go in with a face oil, and that kind of helps balance things out and not make it look so drying on the skin. Okay. For concealer, I'm going in with my Hydrating Elf concealer. I believe this is in the shade Light Sand. Yes, in the shade Light Sand. I'm gonna blend that out with my beauty blender. I did mention in my last video that I like to work quick when I'm working with my concealer, because they could kind of just settle into the fine lines. This one I don't find that you need to work that quickly, but I just do, just to kind of prevent the, like I said, the settling in into the wrinkles or the fine lines of the eye. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more. Now I'm going in to set that concealer with the Ben Nye powder. It's actually not translucent, it's in the shade Fair. Okay. Like so. Then I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush just to wipe off that powder. I forgot, before I forget, I'm going to put powder on my T-zone. That's just going to prevent me from getting oily during the day. And also, like I said, wiping that off with the fluffer. Now, going into for the eyes, I'm going to use the So Jaded Kathleen Lights X Colourpop collab. So I'm thinking of doing a bronze smoky eye, just an all over the lids bronze eye. I think I'm gonna go in with a neutral shade right here, like so. In the palette, this one is called Rose Quartz. Let's go in with this shade right here. It's this nice burnt orange. I'm gonna go back in with my first brush that I went with for that transition shade up top that's above the crease. I'm going to pack on this shade right here. It's called Tiger Eye. And I'm going to be applying that all over the eye, okay? Like so. I am gonna go back in with my initial brush that I used with that neutral shade that I used. Yes, this one right here. And I'm going to go back in and blend in that upper, above the crease where I put in that burnt orange shade. And I'm doing this just to kind of give me that very diffused blend. Making sure everything is blended and looking more put together. Like so, okay? Now let's jump into the other eye. Okay guys, and this is it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is more of a fall smoky look. It does have more of a bronze eyelid. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button so you guys are notified on my next upload. So that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, thank you. Bye.